In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some text with video showing through in Adobe Premiere, like this. Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. All right, let's do it. I'm working in Premiere version 25.1.0, so if yours is older or newer, it might look slightly different. First, add the video that you want to show through your text to your timeline. Then make a text layer on top of your video by hitting T on your keyboard to bring up the text tool. Then click on the Program tab and type away. Then choose a nice fat font, like Phosphate here. Impact is another good choice. I'll change the drop-down menu below Phosphate to Solid and make the size 1300. Now go to your Effects palette. If your Effects palette isn't open, go up to Window and make sure there's a check mark by Effects. Then search for the Track Matte key. Once you find it, drag the Track Matte key down to your video clip. Make sure you're putting it on your video clip, which should be under your text clip. Then click on your video clip by hitting V on your keyboard for the selection tool and clicking on the clip. Then go to your Effect Controls palette. If your Effect Controls palette isn't open, go up to Window, make sure there's a check mark by it. And lastly, under the Matte drop-down menu in Effect Controls, select the layer that your text is on. Mine is on Video Layer 2, so I'll select 2. And voila, your video shows through. Cool, huh? So spice up your opens and titles with this easy-to-do Track Matte effect. And as always, if you found any of this to be helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted. And I will catch you next time.